Welcome. To begin our meditation, find a comfortable position. Allow yourself to settle into your space. Close your eyes and take a deep, slow breath in. And then gently let it out. If negative thoughts or emotions arise during your practice, don't judge yourself for having them. Instead, acknowledge them and gently let them go. Bring your attention back to your breath and the feeling of gratitude in your heart. Now, focus your attention on your breath. Feel the air passing through your nostrils, traveling down into your lungs, and then rising back up and out again. This cycle of breath is your anchor, your guide back to the present moment whenever your mind begins to wander. If it does, gently guide it back to your breath. In this state of mindfulness, it's natural for thoughts or emotions to emerge. They might be about your day, your worries, or random musings. If they do, remember not to judge. Recognize these thoughts and emotions, acknowledge them without judgment, and let them drift away. Then, return your focus to the rhythm of your breath and the warmth of gratitude in your heart. Your breath is an ever-present reminder of life's ebb and flow. It's like the tide lapping the shore, a constant rhythm that grounds you. As you breathe in, feel your body fill with life-giving oxygen. As you breathe out, feel the release of tension. Each breath is a renewal, a return to yourself. However, it's normal for your mind to occasionally wander away from your breath. When this happens, don't reprimand yourself. Instead, understand this as a part of the meditation journey. Acknowledge the thoughts or emotions that surface, allow them to pass without attaching any judgment, and then gently guide your focus back to your breath, nurturing the sensation of gratitude in your heart. Halfway through our meditation, take a moment to appreciate your inner journey. You're navigating through the landscape of your mind, discovering new paths back to your breath, back to this moment. If negative thoughts or emotions arise, meet them with kindness, not judgment. Acknowledge them, let them go, and refocus on your breath and the comforting sense of gratitude within your heart. Feel your breath flowing in and out, a testament to life's resilience. It's a calming rhythm, an intimate dance between you and the present moment. Each breath taken is a step back to your center, a step back to the here and now. As we near the end of our meditation, remember the guiding phrase one more time: if negative thoughts or emotions arise, don't judge yourself. Acknowledge them, let them go, and gently bring your attention back to your breath, fostering a sense of gratitude in your heart. In preparation to conclude, take one deep breath in. Hold it for a moment, and then gently exhale. Let your breath carry away any lingering thoughts or emotions, leaving you in a state of centered calmness. Before you open your eyes, remember this practice. If negative thoughts or emotions arise at any point in your day, don't judge yourself. Acknowledge them, let them go, and return your focus to your breath, nurturing gratitude in your heart. You are now ready to carry this calmness and focus into your everyday life. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Thank you for participating in this meditation.